In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard. Then hold the microphone icon at the bottom next to spacebar. Tap on Allow only when in use, and hold the same icon again. If you want to stop typing, click on Done at the bottom. In order to go back from this mode, select this X at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!